day here at Racecars Universe, and whether you're new or not to this channel, the madness never stops. As promised, I'm back with a complete special feature of this incredible and bold creation by The Lab Limited, here competing in the New Zealand Super Lab Series, our very own Time Attack Championship. What we have here is a Nissan Micra, or March, depending where you are in the world, that the owner and builder Glenn got from a salvage yard. Needless to say, pretty much nothing was kept from original, apart from some exterior panels and the front and rear lights. This car is equipped with a VQ35DE, the same engine we find in a 350Z, although rear mounted and with the addition of twin turbos, bringing the total power output to 800 horsepower. Power that drives all four wheels thanks to an HGT sequential gearbox and proprietary designed transfer case with Nissan 350Z front and rear differentials with modified ratios. The sequential gearbox still requires to shift with the clutch pedal, although will soon be wired up on the Link G4 Extreme ECU. The battery and fuel system have been moved to the front of the car, where they find place in the original engine bay. Some extensive stiffening work has also been carried out and a comprehensive roll cage added to the cockpit. Not to mention the aggressive aero modifications, which are made with both sheet metal and fiberglass. To finish up, we have same wheel and tire combo all around with 18x10s wrapped in 275/3518 and huge disc brakes for improved stopping power. I literally can't stress enough as to how radical and outstanding this build really is. Huge credit to Glenn at The Lab Limited for turning his vision into reality and to prove that anything is possible if you put your mind to it. But now, let's see how it does on track, shall we?
Yes. Okay. Let's bring it home.